To use Google Gemini on a Google Pixel device, first we'll need to open our settings. Navigate to the Google services. Then select all services, scroll down and go for Search and Assistant and Voice. Right here we'll be able to find Gemini, and then we need to click on More, Continue, More, Use Gemini. Now your Gemini is activated and it will replace your Google Assistant in most of the cases. For example, if we try to call out our Google Assistant using a button on the bottom, Gemini will open instead of your Google Assistant. And alternatively, you can use your Gemini by downloading the Gemini app from Google Play Store. So click on Google Play Store, go for a search and enter Gemini. That's how this app looks like. We can open it, and then you'll open a chat with your Google Gemini and you can use it however you like.